Today I'm going to talk about how to choosing and using correct materials to learners. Seeing and evaluating instructional alerts. You should have a good idea of your destination. If you do not know where you are going and you cannot properly choose a right way to get there, so choosing the correct materials to learners are very important. What guidelines should be considered in the selection and the use of instructional materials? These are devices that assist the facilitator in the teaching learning process. Instructional materials are not self supporting, they are supplementary training devices. Instructional design refers to the systematic process of translating principles of learning and instruction into plans or specifications for instructional materials or activities. Importance of material increases the effectiveness of the teacher, clarifies subjective matters, stimulate interest, motivate and the learner to learn tools of the teacher. Designing effective instructional materials is one way of improving the quality of educational opportunities. The common concern of instructional designer is the facilitation of successful learning experience from which learners can demonstrate their newly acquired knowledge, skills, and attitudes. Supplementary materials are instructional and learning resources which are selected to complement, enrich, or extend the curriculum. Such resources include, for example, specialized materials selected to meet devices' needs or rapidly changing curriculum systems, library materials, digital resources. Objectives for selection of supplementary materials is that to provide a wide range of materials that will enrich and support the curriculum, taking into consideration the individual needs and the varied interests, abilities, socioeconomic backgrounds, learning styles, and the developmental levels of the students served. Materials are designed to provide information that will motivate students to examine their own attitude and behavior, to understand their rights, duties, and responsibilities as citizens, and to make informed judgments in their daily lives. The responsibility for the selection of supplementary materials is delegated to the professional staff under the direction of the superintendent and will be made primarily at the school level with the involvement of a school media and technology advisory committee. The selection process used by the committee will include an evaluation of the existing collection and an assessment of the available resource and the curriculum needs of the school, and the consideration of individual teaching and the learning style. Also, we need to cite a challenge material for learners. Access to challenge material shall not be restricted during the reconsideration process. The major character for the final decision on challenged materials is the appropriateness of the materials for its intended educational use.